is my swiftest son. He's a very good boy. I love him. Alright, so today I have two different palettes. I have the Pumpkin Spice palette by Peachy Queen, and it looks like this. It's so pretty, and I feel like, yeah, this is like pumpkin spicy, but I feel like you could also use this for Halloween. And then I have the Pumpkin Spice palette from Too Faced. So they're literally like both the Pumpkin Spice palette, but they're like so different. This is what the Too Faced one looks like. Let me try and yeah, that's the Too Faced one. So they're kind of similar. They both have purples. For starters, this is like half the size. Just saying. These pans are huge. I feel like that's how it always is with indie brands. I feel like indie brands always have really big pans. That's that. And then here is this. Alright, so that is the two of them next to each other. The biggest difference is this one has this black, this really shiny black in the bottom corner. And it also has that bright yellow. Whereas this one, sorry, it's hard to hold both of them. This one does not have that deep black shade, and it also doesn't have a bright yellow, but it does have these colors right here. He's a very good helper. He likes to eat makeup brushes. This eye is going to be the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice. First, going to use this color. It's called All Mode, and I'm just going to use that as the transition shade with this like big fluffy brush. My boyfriend got me this like brush set, like the It Cosmetics brushes from Ulta for my birthday. I got a lot of makeup for my birthday. I'm so happy. My family is so nice and I'm so grateful for them. Okay. Alright, so like my laptop died, so I just did my base off camera. And now I'm gonna finish up doing my eyes. Hopefully my laptop doesn't die this time. I don't know. Blame Steve Jobs if it does. Anyways, now I'm going to go in with this pinky-ish, purplish shade. It looks way pinker on camera. It's probably just because of my wonky lighting. Alright, and then I'm gonna go in with like a fluffy brush and just buff it out. You see how patchy she is? She's like patchy. Alright. I'm gonna go back in with like a fluffy brush and just attempt to blur these lines a little bit. That song was a train wreck, y'all. Okay, I was looking up old songs the other day for like fun, and then like I looked up like top hits for 2013 or 2014 or something, because I was like trying to remember a song and I couldn't think of it, and it was like blurred lines, and I was like, oh my god, I forgot that thing existed. Oh no. But it's called Spice of Life, and it's this dark purple color right here, and it's just a dark cool toned purple, and I'm just gonna like put this kind of like, yeah, this looks right. I'm just trying to kind of use as many colors as possible, and I'm trying to use the purples and the pinkier tones because like I just feel like not as many people are going to use them, so I don't know, I'm just trying to make a helpful video. I don't know why my eye always looks weird. I just want this color. That color you Spice. It looks so pink, it's not. It's more magenta, okay, in person. It's so patchy! Just going to put the color on again, and then blend it out again, and just pray, I guess. This is about to look like a whole entire train wreck. Don't come for me. Oh, that's where that is right now. Alright. So then I'm gonna go in, whoops, with this color right here. It's very sparkly, cooler toned purple shade, and it is called PSL and Chill, Pumpkin Spice Latte and Chill. Pretty sure. I really want to like pumpkin spice lattes, okay? I want to like them. I have an iPhone. I wear Ugg boots. I want to like pumpkin spice lattes. I feel like it would complete me as a person, and then I drink them And I don't like them, and I feel bad. Like, why does everyone else like them and not me? What am I doing wrong? Anyways, I should have used Love You a Latte. Let me just make everything worse by putting that on top. Let me just try it, just because it's not illegal. I tried to use several shades of purple. Okay, the last one I'll do is this little shade, oop, right here. And the light's not. Right here. It's called Want a Piece of Me. Okay, and I'm just gonna use that on my inner corner to try and brighten it up. Alright, so this eye I'm going to be using the Peachy Queen palette. I think I like the packaging on this one better. Like, this is like heavier and it comes in tin packaging and it's cute. It looks like a pumpkin pie, you know, but like, I don't know, I like this. It's shiny and it has little pumpkins, and I like them both for different reasons, I guess. I look like I have a black eye. Why'd I do that to myself? So again, here's the inside. I've used this a couple times, and I feel like, yeah, that one is much more like fall and leaves and Thanksgiving-y, and then this one you could use it for Halloween. Because they included this black, I feel like it made it a lot more versatile. And this bright yellow as well. And they also have like some red tones. This other pumpkin spice palette from Too Faced has like no red tones in it, and this has like 2. I will use this yellow for a transition shade because I'm feeling bold. It's a little bit yellow, but it's not super yellow. But you know, that's really good to not have like a super like bright neon yellow. This one first, and just put that lightly over the yellow. Again, I'm just trying to use as many shades as possible. Okay, those actually mixed it, like they actually, you see, they actually mixed together. Like the guy literally mixed these 2 shades right here, this matte red and this matte yellow, and they actually made a matte orange. Crazy. Okay, right away, this looks a lot more blended out, just without me even blending it out, than the colors on this I did. These are darker, so I don't know, but the Peachy Queen ones do seem to be, for me, easier to blend. This orange shade right here, all over the lid. Actually, that looks pretty good. And then on the underside of this eye, I am going to use a sparkly purple. I'm going to use this sparkly purple on the underside of this eye, just because like I really want to try it out. I'm just going to finish up really quick. I'm going to put on like mascara, eyeliner, and a lip color, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so here is how both sides look. That's the Too Faced side. This is the Peachy Queen side, and then on my lips I'm just wearing the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice liquid lipstick because I just thought it like, you know, would match. Alright, so that's how they both turned out. I just put eyeliner and mascara on this eye and just mascara on this eye, and don't mind my eyebrows, they just, you know, exist. But yeah, so overall, between these 2 palettes, honestly, I can't really say that I like either of them better, because this one, the Color Story, it does have bigger pans, but the Color Story doesn't have as many colors. It only has 12 instead of 18, so it's 6 less shades. It doesn't really have an inner corner highlight, and it doesn't have like a matte orange. However, the benefits to this color, to this palette, it does have a black. I think that this could be used for Halloween way more. You couldn't really use this for Halloween in my opinion. You could use this for like really cute Halloween spooky looks. You can mix the matte colors in this to create a matte orange. And in this palette, there's really only one brown shade. Since I don't get used out of brown and neutral tones as much, that's definitely a plus for me. But if you like neutrals, you know, then that might not be. But the shimmers are really cool. I didn't use any like spray for either of these, so but I think that this is really pretty. They blend really well. Overall, this is like a super cool palette. This one does have more shades, which I like. Even if they are smaller and have less product, that's like completely fine to me. It's not like I'm gonna hit pan on either of these. So I do like that there is more shades in this. This one was more expensive. This one was $49, and I think this one was $32 or $34. So this is like a whole like over $10 more, and it is less product, but it's also from like a bigger brand. Another thing for me that I don't like as much about this, it does have a like the 6 extra shades that it has are pretty much all neutrals. This is brownish, brownish. This color is okay, but it's kind of brownish. This color is kind of purple, but kind of brownish. And then it does have pinks, which I do love the color pink. But overall, I don't really use neutrals and browns, but I do know that a lot of people do. So it is nice to have those for versatility. And it does have, this is one of my favorite shades for fall. It's just like a goldeny, greeny, yellowy color. And it's just really good for like fall leaves and like the autumn vibes. So yeah, I wouldn't really say either one of them is better. It really just depends on your preferences and stuff. For me personally, I probably am glad I have both of them. I don't know. I'm bad at picking things. I like them both a lot. So that's pretty much it. I hope that it was informational and that it was able to help someone.